Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2004 Suzuki Vstrom 650. This bike's got a little over 52,600 miles on it. We're going to take a walk around this adventure style bike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Even with high miles on this bike, it's very clean. It does have a few scuffs and scratches from being used, but overall, very good shape. One little mark there on the front fender. Aftermarket front blinkers, engine guards, brush guards for your hands. As you can see, the tank is in really good shape. Same with the seat. There's one of the adventure bags here. I did notice the seat does have a little tear in it right here on this side, along with a couple of scratches in the tank. But this is all that's been found as far as body. There is some scuffing on the left side here too, on the bar end and on the brush guard. And our service department will be putting a new front tire on this bike. Show you the mileage here. 52,624 is what's on this bike. Set the camera down here so I can start it up. Fires right up and runs well, even with high miles on it, so. I mean, it just sounds good when it runs, so. This bike will be going through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping at SimplyStreetBikes.com.